Getting more minions in Super Snail is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Partnering with different characters unlocks their unique minions, which can be deployed for chore dispatch and fight alongside your snail in the divinity domains. You can progress through their friendship storylines by sending letters, offering advice, and completing tasks for them. Once their friendship level reaches 3 hearts, they will move into your base with their minions. Purchasing the military bomb in the card exchange in Choreo allows you to clone your existing minions, increasing your overall minion count. This can be a quick and efficient way to expand your minion force. Assigning your unlocked minions to chores will generate resources and rewards, including a chance to acquire new minions. The longer you dispatch them on chores, the higher the chances of receiving additional minions as a bonus reward. Focusing research on genes related to a specific minion type can increase your chances of encountering those minions during your explorations. This requires careful planning and resource allocation, but can be a strategic approach to acquiring specific minions you need. Participating in special events and completing challenges can sometimes award rare and powerful minions as rewards. Keep an eye on these opportunities to bolster your minion collection. You can exchange gifts with other players through the gift box feature. While the chances of receiving minions specifically are low, it's another avenue to potentially acquire new and valuable additions to your minion force. Logging in daily can sometimes reward you with minion fragments. Collecting enough fragments allows you to assemble and unlock new minions.